Huh?
Hi.
Hi.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Colton?
Peekaboo. Colton.
Huh?
Colton.
This is Colton?
Not Carlton. Colton. Right? Colton.
No, the name is changed.
Oh, Colton.
Is that T or Y?
T-O-N. C-O-N. Yes. Colton.
That's the other Colton. I tried to take him out the other day. What happened?
Oh no, I just checked. Why? What happened? You didn't
I tried to take him out, but he didn't come out.
Oh, you didn't want to come out? Colton? Peekaboo! Peekaboo! he was have a cute talk,
Yeah.
right? Colton is a good bird, isn't he? Yeah? Oh, Colton is a good bird, huh? You like to make low voice? Huh? What are you talking about? Let me change your food now, okay? You're a pretty bird. I know. Yeah. I know. I know you're a pretty bird. Yeah, you got it. I got it. Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. Okay. Alright. I got it. Oh. Okay. Hi. Ooh, look at you. I got it. Oh, yeah. Oh. And sometimes he do like, like that. What do you think? Why? Not too bad. Yeah. Oh, wow. Your food so white. Okay, let me change your food. Hi. Yeah. Yep. I'm going to your cage now. Okay. You only eat 3 p.m. So let me change this.
Hello, Colton. What? Huh? Good bird? Are you good bird? Colton, are you good bird? Hi, baby. Hi. Yeah? Colton. I love you. Wow, look at you, Colton. Colton, where are you going? What's your name? Who asked my name? Huh? Colton, fly, fly, fly! Yay! Open your wings. Huh? What did he say? Open your wings. Open your wings. More. Open your wings more. Yes. What are you doing? Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Peekaboo, Colton! Yoo-hoo! 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 Colton. Colton. Quack quack. Mac mac. Mac mac. Colton. I love you, Colton. This is Colton. My Colton is the other side. I'm gonna go say hi to me later. Colton, sing. I love all of you. I love all of you. I love you. I love all of you. Colton, sing, otherwise I'm gonna sing. I love you. I love all of you. Colton, sing. Look at you. Oh, sing, sing, sing. You see yourself? Is this your karaoke?
I think one of them sing happy birthday.
Yeah.
Is it you?
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday, dear Colton. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Siapa? Is that song? Yeah? You can sing to him. That song.
I can't believe it. Oh.
I don't know what he was trying to sing. It was so cute.
Hi Colton. I guess you're the lucky bird today. You know why? Huh? You know why? Because you're gonna come out. But you have to promise me, okay? You have to promise me to be a good bird. Do you promise? Huh? Do you promise? Yeah? Do you wanna come out? Yes? Do you wanna come out? What? What? Hello, yes, looks like you wanna come out, huh? Hello. Hello. You wanna come out? Yeah? You good bird? Yes, you good bird? Hello. Hello, Cockatoo. Cockatoo. I love Colton. I love Colton. Colton loves me. Huh? You wanna come out? Yes? Huh? Yeah? Blah, 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 blah. Okay, we're gonna come out, okay? Okay, Colton, you're here. Are you ready to come out? Yes? Here, come down here. I'm gonna take you out, but listen, promise me, be good boy, okay? Okay, Colton? Otherwise, I'm not gonna take you out again. Okay? There you go. Hi. Hi, baby. Step. Hi. You wanna go up there? Hi. Hey. Colton. Colton. Hi. You excited? You're outside now? Huh? Are you excited? Yeah?
Hi.
You excited, huh?
Hi, Colton.
Okay, step up. Colton, come here. He wants to see what's going on in that room. What's going on in that room? Oh, there's other birds.
Colton, you can sing for them.
Huh? Can you sing for them, Colton? Huh? Colton? Good bird. Pretty bird.
Feel on bus stop. Huh?
Hi. Hello, boy. Yes.
Yeah.
Sing and dance.
Good
You
bird, good
want to
bird,
go on the
good
couch? Yeah? Come on.
bird.
Step up. Come and step up. Good boy. Come. Come and step up. Yes.
Gonna do.
Yes. Don't sing bad thing. Come on, Colton. Good boy. Yeah, you're a good boy, right?
Have a good bird.
Yeah.
Have a
Good
bird.
boy.
Good bird, good bird.
Yes. Colton is a good bird. Right, Colton?
I think Colton is the one. Colton is the one that's singing happy birthday.
Yeah.
Are you the one singing happy birthday?
Come on, step up.
Huh? Are you the one singing happy birthday? Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Colton. Happy birthday to you. Step up. Good boy. Come on, step up. Come on. Yes, step up. Stretch. Yes, good bird. Good birdie. Good birdie. Good birdie. You wanna step up? Huh? Let's go there.
Colton
Let's
is
go
still
see.
available and nobody adopted him.
No, not yet.
Anyone interested in Colton is a good singer.
Yeah, he was singing today a
We were
lot.
cleaning, Colton is singing.
Yes.
Say
Hi, there you go. Hello.
Chup.
Hello. You wanna come? Come here. Colton, come here. Come on. Come on, good birdie. You wanna go to her? Yeah, go. Go to her. Hi. Hi, Colton, a good boy. Hi, good boy.
Yeah, I think he's a boy.
Hi.
He's
You wanna
like
step
Joseph's
up?
size, eh?
No, be a good boy. Okay.
Like Joseph's size.
Hi. No.
Smaller a little bit.
Yeah.
Our Joseph is big
Mm.
for the umbrella.
Goody boy.
What happened to your tail?
Yes. Do you wanna step up? Do you wanna step up? Yes. Do you wanna come? Huh? Go up. Come on. Come here. Yes. Come here. Come here. Ah. Do you want to come and step up on my arm? Hold on. I love you. Hello. Yes. Yes. Good boy. Yes. You're happy now. Come here. Come on, step up. Yes, good boy. Hi, good boy. Hi, good boy. Stretch again. Yes. Good boy. Do you wanna step up? Huh? Do you wanna come? Hi. Do you wanna come? Go. Hello. Hi. Pickle. I love you.
Remember you were playing together with me?
Yeah. Come on, step up. Come on. Hold on. Come on, good bird. Come on. Step up. Step up. Step up, good bird. Come on. Come on. Step
Oh,
up.
you're checking inside.
Colton. Good bird. Good birdie. Come on, step up. Good bird. Hi, good bird.
Good bird.
Hi, good bird. Yes.
Hit me.
Come on, we're sitting here. Do you want to come here or no? Come on.
Haven't get out for a while.
Colton. Colton. Hi. Hi, Colton. Come down. Come on. Ah. Ah. La 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 la. Colton. Hi, Colton. Hello, boy. How many times you wanna scratch? I mean, stretch, not a scratch. Cottony. Cottony, good boy. Cottony, good boy. You wanna step up? Cotton? Yeah? You wanna step up? Come on.
Is he the one that didn't want to come out before?
Yeah.
Aww.
Come on.
It's nice to come out. You're so sweet.
Cotton.
Cotton is a sweet bird.
Come on. Step up.
Vacuum, hello, vacuum coming. Woohoo!
Cotton.
Vacuum coming.
Come on.
Oh, I think he's just like relaxed to be out, you know. Oh, look at your feather.
Yeah, look at this thing. Hi, John. Hi. I love you. Bird A B C D E F G. Can you sing for us, baby? Oh boy. Woo. Okay, maybe,
I don't know what song
I think
he
we
was
have just
singing.
to let him stay out, enjoy his
Yeah,
life.
I think he was.
He don't wanna come on our. I'm praying for you, okay? I'm helping you.
That's
Colton.
on his head. Oh, hey.
No, no, Colton. Colton, a good bird. Good bird, Colton. Okay, Colton, you got 10 minutes. Finish. Your 10 minutes finish. I'm gonna go take a bath.
Bob.
Yeah. You got only another 10 minutes. Colton. Colton. Good boy. Come here. Step up. Step up. Step up.
Yeah, come here.
Step up, Colton. Good boy. Step up. Come on, good bird. Come on.
Good bird, good bird.
Step up. Come on. Come on.
Go back.
Come on. Step up.
He just loved. Oh. Nobody took you out, eh? Stretching again.
Stretching again.
Oh.
Yeah, step up. Step up.
Pet me, please.
So come step up. We're gonna sit. Then we're gonna give you scratches. Good. Yeah.
Colton's so sweet.
Mm.
He got beaten by Colton.
Huh?
Somebody got say he doesn't like some people.
Oh no.
But he, oh my god. You're getting pretty. If he stay outside, his feather gonna be really nice. His muscle gonna be really good. And unicorn. Yeah, no? Come on.
Go up.
Oh, no.
Again. Colton, go up. Go to her. Go to her.
Oh my god. Hi. You're talking to I. Is that there? Yes. Oh, come on in. Come on. Again?
You wanna eat too, Colton? You don't put it under your wings?
Stretch. This bird loves stretch. Yeah. Hello.
Ooh.
Wait. Hello. Somebody say
Hello.
hello to you.
Hello.
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 It was like short. Hello.
Colton, step up. Please. Good bird. No, be a good bird. No. Don't ask for more, okay? Be a good bird. Then next time I'm gonna take you out again, okay? Otherwise, if you don't listen to me, I'm not gonna take you out. Good bird. Step up, please. Step up. Good boy. Step up. Come on, show me. I know you understand me, right? I know you know that. No. No, that's my watch. No. No. Stop it. Be a good boy, okay? Good boy. Step up. No. No, Colton, look at me. Look at me. Colton. Colton, look at me. Hey. No. No.
Ah.
Come on.
Let's
Step
go.
up. Good boy. No, Colton. If you're gonna do that, I'm not gonna take you out again.
Let's go.
Okay? So better listen to me.
Yeah, come on.
Okay? Step up. This one got crazy by seeing Colton here. Colton, what your friend saying? Huh? What your friend saying there?
What? Not sure.
Saying I cannot hear her. I
Stretching
have to go to
again.
gym. Yeah, do you have to go to gym? Colton? Yes? You have to go to gym! Yay! Let's go! Let's go, Colton!
Good, good. Come on here. Come on.
Let's go!
Pat. Okay, Crazy boy.
Colton. Colton. Hey, hey.
Oh, oh, oh,
Gangnam Style. Read it. Sing it. He knows. Gangnam Style. Hey, sexy lady. Hey. Oh. Gangnam Style. Hey. Sexy lady. Hey. Oh. You're so excited.
Oh my God.
Singing.
I think you know that song.
Yeah.
Gangnam Style.
Oh
no.
What type of Gangnam? No, he was doing Michael Jackson, I guess.
Hey.
Colton. Sexy lady.
Oh.
Yeah, Gangnam Style. Hey, sexy lady. Hey. La. I love bird. I love bird.
Woo.
He become Michael Jackson now. Colton.
Oppa, Gangnam Style.
Step up. Come here, don't run away. Don't run away. Colton. You wanna go out again? Good bird. Yes, go up. Up. Step up. Good birdie. Good birdie. Step up. Yes. Step up. Yeah.
Wanna
good
go back?
bird. Come on. Yes. You're not gonna go to cage. Okay?
Yeah, let's come
You're
sit.
not gonna go to cage. We're gonna go sit there.
Yeah, here.
Come on, we're gonna go sit. We're gonna go sit there, okay? Come on. Come on. No. Come on, step up. Good birdie. Yes, listen to me. We're gonna go sit there. It's much more comfy. No. Come on. Step up. Step up. Hold on. Yeah, go up. Good bird. Good birdie. Come on, good bird. Come on, Colton. Listen to me. Listen to me. I know you understand me. I know you understand me. Yes, step up. Good bird. Step up. Good boy. Come on, Colton. Yes. Let's go. We have to go. Hey, we have to go, okay? Yeah, listen to me. Listen to me. We have to go. It's time's up. Okay? Be a good bird so I can take you out again one more time. Okay? Yeah? Good boy. Step up, please. Step up. Don't be stubborn. Come on. Come on, listen to me. Listen to me. Oh, what's there? Huh? Is that your toy? Let's go take your toy. Come on. Step up. Oh, you got new toys. Right?
You okay? Come on. It's turning to. Come on. Yeah.
Is it better now? Being out and don't stand on your cage is much better, right? Hmm? Yeah.
Yes.
I'm not gonna hurt you.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Gangnam
Oh,
Style. Dance. Hey, sexy lady. Hey. Oh.
Oppa, Gangnam Style.
Hold on. Sing and dance. Hold on. Hey, sexy lady. Come here, Colton.
Why you like me?
Colton, sing. Dance, dance, dance. Colton, dance, dance, dance. You wanna go to your cage? Yes? Let's go to your cage. You wanna go there? Let's go.
I'm pretty sure he's a boy.
You wanna go to his cage? Put him inside. Here you go. Good boy. Did you have fun? Yes? Did you have fun, Colton? We had fun too. Oh, he had poop.
Good bird.
Good bird.
Colton is a good bird.
Yeah, now you start singing. Colton, I love you. Colton, see you next week, okay? Next 2 weeks? Next 2 weeks. Oh, don't put your head in the water. He just put his head in the water.
Please. Okay. You put your head in the water, that's right.
Peekaboo.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. You know how to play?
Shaking good. Shaking is ready.
Woohoo! Yes! Be careful! Your head gonna hit.
Don't hit your head to the ball. Yay!
I think somebody played with him before. Somebody put the paper on there.
Look at this too. Oh, you want to pass? Yeah, go ahead. Sorry.
No problem. Bye. See you later. Okay? Next 2 weeks.
Bye, baby.
Put the head in the water.
Bye, Colton. See you next 2 weeks, okay?
Don't worry about it. It's okay. It's all good. It's good. It's okay.
Okay, let's go. Bye, Colton.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Colton, do like this. Do like this. Shake, 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 shake. Yes. Shake, 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 shake.
Oh, that's how your feather is like that, eh? Okay. Bye. I'll see you later. Okay, you pretty bird. Bye.
Bye. Bye, Colton. Be good bird, okay? Bye, Colton. Bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye. Bye.